Before starting, Uber is changing every day, so this way to sign up can change. If you need help, let me know below in the comments. To begin your registration, you can go to the first link that I will leave in the description of the video. After clicking to sign up, you have to complete the form with your email, your first and last name, a password, and the city you want to work. You can use my invitation code that I will leave in the description too, so I can do raffles for you, like equipment for being a delivery driver, meals, or other interesting things. After that, you have to verify your email. After verifying your email, you will be in a page like this one, okay? Being here, you have to do a verification of your identity and rights to work. To do this, you have to do the criminal background check, the VEVO check, the driving test, a photo of your passport, a proof of age card, a profile photo, and your insulated bag. I will explain all steps, but first things first, okay? The first thing we have to do is the criminal background check. The criminal background check can be done in the first part of this page. You click in the black button and then you will have to fill this form. Verify your email or phone, and they will send you a code and you have to type it, and then make the payment of $36. Then fill these other two forms, and then take a photo of yourself, a photo of your passport, and a proof of age card, like your ID card or driver's license card. The second step we have to do is the VEVO check. For the VEVO check, you can go to this link, t.uber.com/selfvevo, which I left in the description, so you can go there and check it in order to do it. For the VEVO check, you have to fill this form and then pay $2 and provide your visa. The visa is the document that brings you the right to work. If you need some help, let me know in the comments and I will explain how to do this step. The next step is the driving test. This test is really easy to do it. You can go to the page of the beginning, okay, with the one with the black buttons, and click in take the test, the second one. Here you have to see different useful videos, which I really recommend to you because they teach you how to ride in the streets and the different rules you need to know. After this, you have a test. It's really easy, but if you were wrong in one answer, you can change it without any problem, and then the test will be good. After all this, you can go to your app in your phone to finish the registration. The next step is the passport. In the app, go to your documents remaining and enter on passport. Then you will have to provide a photo of the passport, like that. Then your proof of age card. This step is difficult for people that don't have any English card. You can try if they accept any other cards that you have, even if it's in other language. For example, in my case, I'm Spanish and Uber accepted my Spanish driving license, so you can try. Even if you have in other language, you can try, maybe they accept the card. You can use your national ID, your driver license, even if it's not English, to try, maybe you are accepted like me. But if not, you can use your student ID card if you are in a school or something. Or if you tried all of these things and you are not accepted, you can do two things, okay? The first one is translate your driving license or ID card in these links. You need a Naati certified translation, and you can get it in the official page, but here you can only find a translator and then talk to them and see if they do the translation for you. You can get the translation in any other web that brings you a Naati certified translation like Ethnolink. I will leave all these links in the description, so if you want to check. And the other option is get a photo card, okay? You can find information about this card depending on where you're living right now. Here you can get one in Australia, in New South Wales, in this link. If you're not living in New South Wales or in Australia, you can check if you can get a photo card in English in the country you're living. So if you need any help, you can let me know in the comments, or you can contact with Uber support and they will bring you a solution to this. The problem here is that you have to pay, okay, in the two options, but is what you have to do. So the next verification step is the profile photo. You only have to take a picture of yourself or pick one from your gallery. The reason for the profile photo is for restaurants and customers recognize you. And the last step is get your insulated bag. You can purchase one from Uber in this link, or sometimes in some stores you can get one. So you can check in the internet, maybe you can get one in some store, and then chat with Uber support and say that you have already one. Then wait until Uber checks your documents. If they are all approved, they accept all your documents, then you can start earning money as a delivery driver. Okay, you can start doing deliveries. Maybe you need to log out and then log in to restart the app. And the first time that you go online for doing deliveries, the app will ask you to provide a photo of yourself, like a selfie, in that moment to verify your identity. Be sure your location is active for the Uber driver app. If it's not active, you can't do deliveries, of course. So that's it. If you have any problems with something, just let me know in the comments below and I will help you as soon as possible. Have a good trip. Bye.